What's good, YouTube? It is 2K King, and today's title is 7 Steph Curry Award Winner Pack Opening. Okay, so as you can see, I did all these award winners. I had 24 stamina. I went down to 1 stamina. See, as you can see, 1 stamina. Look, Steph Curry. Okay, so I might. So I might get that All-Star MVP in 6-man. But let's see. There's only one way to find out. So let's get it. This is our first one. Let's get it. Okay, guys, let's see what it is. Okay, it's a defensive. I already have that. Finals MVP and All-Star. MVP, okay. Coach, I already have that. This will probably be a short video. Coach, I like Coach. Defensive, oh my god. Open later. To the open later thing. See what it is. Coach, oh my god. Last one. See what it is. Coach, okay. Bad stuff. Okay, so as you can see, Jimmy Butler. Just kidding. I'm not getting those dead. Do this, baby. Let's go. See what I get. And defensive. Dang, I need a bronze trophy? That's jacked up. Oh, I didn't get none of what I wanted. Finna put those things in the vents for. In fact, I can just always buy a bronze. Elite trophy 21,000. Anyway, bronze. Damn, there's no bronze trophies. Oh, there's one for 800. What? I don't have my trophy. This is the last chance, man. If I get one, I'm gonna freak out, but let's see. Tell me what I get. Remember, I need All-Star MVP and I need 6-man, so. Coach, really? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna buy another one. But this is literally the last chance. If I do not get one, I'm going to flip. Because look, I wasted an hour getting all those because I was trying to save stamina. And this is what they do to me. That's jacked up. skill. This is the last chance, guys. Okay. Tell me what I get. 6-man All-Star MVP. Let's go. Most improved player. Okay, that's jacked up. I'm gonna go to that Jimmy Butler right quick. That most improved player, because I'm trying to get that Jimmy Butler as well. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah. So like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe for good luck. Everything. Thanks, guys, and bye.